Look. Having nuclear. My uncle was funny. Triumph Bonneville T120 motorcycle shirt. A great professor and scientist and engineer. Dr. John Trump at MIT. Good genes. Very good genes. Okay. Very smart. The Wharton School of Finance. Very good. Very smart. You know, if you're a conservative Republican. If I were a liberal. Okay, if I ran as a liberal Democrat, they would say I'm one of the smartest people anywhere in the world. It's true. But when you're a conservative. Funny. Triumph Bonneville T120 motorcycle shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck. Tank top. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. There are a lot of commercials that obviously take stuff out of context. Some with him stammering. It's really disgusting. They're all trying to paint Biden as funny. Triumph Bonneville T120 motorcycle shirts. If he's this dementia-riddled imbecile. Friendly reminder. If the previous acting president both loses this election and doesn't manage to somehow retain power and destroy democracy with the GOP's blessing, will the Republican Party and Fox News still even want to provide a other product?